It is 5:30 right now, and I know it is very weird, it's very random to start a vlog at 5:30, but I just feel like vlogging today. And I just got a very exciting package at the post office that I really want to pick up. So why don't you come with me? It's gonna be fun, okay? Stick around, trust me, it's gonna be a good one. Vlogging is something that I really want to do more often. So hopefully you guys like the vlogs because they're just gonna keep on coming now. Alright, so I got this in the mail. I don't really know what's going on. I have to go ahead and pick the package up at like a store. I don't really know what's going on. I need some coffee like this. I can process all of this. I'm kind of confused.
Money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got. You could've put a price on
Two things. One, it is so incredibly sunny and it is so nice to go outside. And two, I like coffee now. I've recently discovered it thanks to Chenia, and it's so good. Third thing, we have to go to this address, so 18 minutes away walking and 10 minutes by car. Coffee wakes me up so much. I don't know if it's the sugar or the actual coffee, but it wakes you up so much. I am literally so annoyed right now. I filmed the unboxing of this thing and the microphone wasn't on. So anyways, let me show you because this thing is absolutely beautiful. Take a look at this thing. It is an iPhone 4S framed with glass. Like, how awesome is this business idea? Somebody that takes old iPhones and transforms them into art. If you guys are interested in this, hit the link down in the description. But look at this. You've got the SIM card holder. You've got the front camera, the home button. This is so cool. Okay, I think I've got an idea. What do you guys think of this? Do you guys think this looks nice over here? I like it. I currently don't have any like screws or anything to put this on, but I'll probably put this here. It looks very nice. I'm kind of very upset because this does not fit over there. It would have been really cool. Okay, it is pretty late and I am hungry and I want to eat some dinner. Before that, I'm going to change the pajamas because I want to be comfy. They're on. Let's see what's on the fridge. Tonight, Apple TV Plus just released Calls, which is a pretty interesting new TV show. It's only audio, like there's no video. I mean, it's video, but it's only audio. Watch it. I've watched one episode and it's actually pretty creepy. There's like a story between phone calls. It's pretty weird and pretty cool. All I know is that I'm gonna eat this, watch something, and I'm gonna finish off the vlog here. So thank you for watching. Sorry that the unboxing was a mess. I'm very annoyed at that, so I'm gonna watch something like this. I forget about that. I gotta love.